To sign up for the Phantom Wallet mobile app, start by downloading and installing the app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once installed, open the app and click on the Create New Wallet option. You will be presented with the option to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. Since you are signing up for the first time, select the Create New Wallet option. You will be asked to create a password for your wallet. Make sure it is strong and unique to ensure the security of your funds. After creating your password, you will be given a recovery phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down this phrase and store it in a safe place, as it is crucial for recovering your wallet. Next, you will be asked to verify the recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. This step is important to ensure that you have written down the phrase correctly. After verifying the recovery phrase, you will be logged into your new Phantom Wallet account. You can now set up your wallet by adding your email address and other security measures such as two-factor authentication. To add a new account, click on the Add Account option and select the type of account you want to add, such as a Solana account. You will be given a public address that can be used to receive funds. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase and password safe and secure, as losing access to your wallet can result in the loss of your funds. Always use strong and unique passwords, and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps, you can easily sign up for the Phantom Wallet mobile app and start using it to manage your digital assets. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your wallet information safe and secure.